Let's talk about where the media is kept and how we update the media. Let's start by looking at this recording file. Remember, we talked in a previous lesson about where recording files are automatically saved. But what if I didn't remember where this file was? I can right-click this media, and then I see an option here to open file location. So when I click that, it will open up for me in Windows Explorer and say, oh, it's in your Camtasia 9 Module 1 folder. Okay, great. So this is one way, if you happen to forget where you stored your recording or where it defaults to, that you can find out where to get your recordings. So now I'm in a situation where I had a file, I had some media that I was working with, and I put it in my timeline, and I saved this project, which we'll talk about more in the next section, but it can't find it. It's missing. And if you look here, there's, you know, this little ghost here. I'll make it a little higher so you can see. Right, there's this little ghost character saying, I don't know where this is, I can't find this object. I know we had it. Same thing up here, we see these lines through it, it's saying it's missing. We can't find this media. Now this might happen if you did a backup and you copied something from your hard drive and you cut it from your hard drive and you pasted it on a backup. You said, oh, I'm not going to need this on my hard drive, and then you open up the project and it says, I can't find this file. If that ever happens, you can redirect Camtasia to tell it where that new file location is. So in this case, this is missing. It can't find it. It can't see anything. It doesn't know what's there. So what I'll do instead is I will right-click and I will say Update Media. So when I choose Update Media, it says, tell me where I can find this thing. And in this case, I actually didn't even move the file. I just renamed the file. I put another hyphen in it. And so if I double-click this file, then it comes in and says, ah, okay, great. Yes, that was the file that I needed. Now, it also warned me when I opened the project and said I couldn't find this one file. So it gave me a warning when opening, which you'll see. But then in order to find it, again, you just right-click the item, go to Update Media, and then find that new location. So if you have to go to a different folder, then just navigate through Windows Explorer and find where that file is. What if you renamed the file and you can't remember what the name of it was? Well, let me show you if I pick the wrong one. So I'll right-click, I'll Update Media. Now I know it was this one here, but what if I choose the wrong one? What if I choose this one instead and say Open? Notice that it has now replaced that screen capture with a different screen capture. So please make sure that you know what the right file is before you change it. In this case, it's the completely wrong file. It's not anywhere close, but Camtasia was still able to take it, bring it in, and use it to replace the video that was there. So again, make sure you select the right file because you don't want your video to become messed up because you chose the wrong one.